What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you a super easy, super flavorful recipe for making meatballs. So to start making these meatballs, go ahead and season the ground beef with salt and pepper. To that we're going to add some garlic powder, go ahead and throw in some oregano, some smoked paprika, throw in some finely diced onions and some finely diced garlic, add a little bit of milk, 2 eggs, and a little bit of Parmesan cheese. And for color and a little bit more flavor, I like to throw in some parsley as well. Go ahead and combine the mixture until everything is fully incorporated. And don't forget to add some panko breadcrumbs as well. This is going to add some more texture to the meatballs and overall just make them so much better. So once the mixture is made, what I like to do is cover it and just leave it in the fridge for about half an hour or so. What this is going to do is really just combine all those flavors and let them marinate with each other. Take the meatballs out of the fridge and you want to portion these into even sizes. Just use an ice cream scoop, that way you can get even sized portions. Once the meatballs are formed, throw them into an oven until nicely browned. Once they're browned, go ahead and put them into some sauce to finish the cooking. These meatballs are so easy to make and so delicious. It would be great on a meatball sandwich or just simply over a nice bed of pasta.